the LG V20 here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG V50 ThinQ for Verizon Prepaid. So this is a 5G phone, so that's really cool. So this is the V50. It's been out for it's been out for a while now, but I recently saw this on Verizon's Prepaid website. So yeah. So this is the V50, and y'all guys can get on prepaid if you guys are interested. It's $999.99. Available in 128 and available in 128 gigabytes of storage. Available in the new Aurora Black there. So that's the first thing in front of you. You do have your power button on the right side, dime keys on the left, and also you have your Google Assistant key on the left side there as well. There's your nice side for your fingers and camera and stuff like that. It does have 5G right there. You guys can see it right there. So you guys will get 5G on Verizon Prepaid. So this is Verizon's Prepaid's first true 5G smartphone. The one they had before was the Moto Z3. That you can get 5G with that with the modem on, but this one has 5G built. This one has 5G built into the phone. So pretty cool. On the left side of the phone, like I said, dime keys and your Google Assistant key there. So on the back of the LG V50, you guys have 3 cameras on the back. You guys got a camera flash, fingerprint sensor, V50 logo, and LG logo down the back, and you also will have a 5G logo on the back of the phone there. One of them is a telephoto camera. I think one of them is an ultra wide, and the other one is like a wide angle camera or something like that. So pretty nice. And then on the right side of the phone, you'll have your power button and your SIM and SD card slot there on the right side of the phone. So it says a mobile revolution is here, and the LG V50 ThinQ 5G Prepaid is helping lead the charge. Experience 5G ultra wideband connectivity on a sleek device that's nearly all screen with an LG OLED full vision display. Take stunning photos using an A5 camera system. 2 cameras in the front, 3 cameras in the back. Well suited for any occasion or let the music surround you. Courtesy of the electric boombox speaker. The LG V50 ThinQ 5G features a 4,000 mAh battery and Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor for maximum performance and reliability. And now you can make the most of it with Verizon, America's most awarded network. So that's nice. So the LG V50 has 16.6 days of standby time, 48.26 hours of usage time, 16 megapixel main camera in the back. It's 3 inches in width, 6.27 inches in height there. It says powered by 5G ultra wideband. Stream movies and browse the web at lightning fast speeds. Access Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network and experience the next evolution of smartphone connectivity. Immerse yourself. So immerse viewing on demand. Watch your entertainment come to life on a device that's nearly all screen with an LG OLED full vision display. No matter the activity, you'll be able to enjoy it with striking clarity and contrast. 5 cameras, countless possibilities. So there's your camera there's your camera sensors. So on the back you have a 12 megapixel telephoto, 16 megapixel super wide, and a 12 megapixel standard camera. That's on the back, and then on the front of the V50, you guys have an 8 megapixel standard and a 5 megapixel wide angle camera. So you got 5 cameras on this phone. It says get an entire suite worth of photography options right at your fingertips. The LG V50 ThinQ 5G features a telephoto zoom, standard and super wide angle lens in the rear, and a standard and wide angle lens on the front. Shoot 5 pics with just one click and create videos that are clear, colorful, and crisp from every perspective. Pro touch videos. Keep your subject front and center with an advanced video bokeh effect using advanced depth sensing capabilities. It softens background imagery and drives attention to what matters most. Bass you can feel. Do your music justice with a boost of sound. Do your music justice with a boost of loud, warm-feeling audio from the boombox speaker. The LG V50 ThinQ 5G's resonance chamber makes for clear, authentic audio. Conversations with character. And add an extra bit of characters for the next. So add an extra bit of character to your next video chat. Entertain friends and family with fun real-time AI. Stickers and effects that you can apply to you in your surroundings. Bigger performance, better battery. Bigger performance, better battery. The LG V50 ThinQ 5G features a powerful energy-efficient 4,000 mAh battery designed to take on high-intensity 5G applications. It even includes a cooling system that dissipates heat and keeps your smartphone going strong. So it just have a cooling system in the phone. So pretty cool. So your cooling system will show you guys right on the back. So your batteries right there, then your cooling system is right there on the edge of the phone right there. So pretty much your batteries right here. Batteries right here, then your cooling system is right here. So it's pretty cool. So the specs on the LG V50 is that you have LTE Advanced with 50% faster click speeds and more than 400 base days from coast to coast. It's a world device, which means you can use it in over 200 countries. 16.6 days of standby time, 48.26 average usage time, 16 megapixel super wide camera on back, 8 megapixel foundation camera, that's your standard lens there, 3 inches in width, 6.45 inches in ounces, 6.45 ounces of weight. So this one is a bit heavier at 6.45 ounces. The height of the V50 is 6.27 inches. The screen size is 6.4 inches. Full HD plus, full vision OLED display, 4,000 mAh battery, and good time. Internal storage 128 gigabytes of RAM and 6 gigabytes of RAM there. So pretty good. You do have a micro SD card slot up to 2 TB. New Aurora Black is your color option, and you have your SAR ratings, internet compatibility, and stuff like that. Your network it supports says right there, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABG in and AC 2.84 GHz octa-core standard 855. It also has AC voice included, which lets you experience AC voice video calling and simultaneous voice and data. And then the Wi-Fi calling, and may cause you to get a Wi-Fi connection. So that's a win right there. If you need help with your LG V50, Verizon is here to help you with that. So if you guys need help with the V50, device support can help you out with that. Alright. So what you guys get in the box is the LG V50 ThinQ 5G, pre-installed SIM card, 4000 mAh battery, travel adapter, and USB cable, quick reference card, product safety, and we'll take a short break. So there you guys have it. The LG V50 ThinQ 5G is now at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $999 with 1.8 GB of storage. So this is Verizon's Prepaid's first truly 5G phone. This is 5G built into the phone. You don't need no mod or anything like that. This is 5G built into the phone, so that's a win. So this was LG's first 5G phone. The V50 was. So it is now on Verizon Prepaid for the young to check out. Like I said, it's $999.99 for 128 GB of storage. It's definitely worth picking up. Nice looking phone. Nice looking mobile right there. Great specs for what it is. And yeah, you guys will have 5G on Verizon Prepaid. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys smile and like, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.